Look what we are doing here this morning. How are you all doing this morning? Hello, fam. Hello, fam. Hello, fam. Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing great. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day. It's a blissful day. It's a blissful day. And so shall it be unto you and yours. Me and my daughter, we are getting things cleaned up in this house this morning. We have a lot we are cleaning up. A lot. You guys, Mama gave me okpa. You guys remember my grandma, right? Mama gave me okpa, and I'm trying to put it in the freezer so that it doesn't get bad. Okpa is an expensive food, very expensive food in Nigeria. I'm about to do that okpa recipe because it's a delicious meal from the Enugu brothers and sisters, and we love it. My mother used to do a lot of it those days, and I can't forget that. I can't forget that beautiful memories, you know. So I went to visit Mama some time ago, not quite long, and Mama gave me a whole big oatmeal jar of okpa. Is it jar? What do they call this? Let me show you guys. So look at what Mama gave me. Mama gave me okpa that filled this oatmeal. Is it oatmeal jar? Is it oatmeal jar? Okay, call it oatmeal jar or whatever. This oatmeal bangolo, as Nigerians will call it. Look at the second one here. Mama gave me okpa in this very oatmeal jar, and it's just a lot, like a lot, for real. So Emanuela is transferring it here in this container so we can put it in the freezer, because I can't afford to lose this okpa taste. Her in-law came from Nigeria and she gave me okpa. That was how many years ago? I did that, you know, without showing you guys. And now again, her in-law came all the way from Nigeria and she gave me this whole big jar of, like, she gave me this big jar, and everything here was just okpa. You guys, okpa is an expensive food. So that's what Emanuela is doing this morning. Did you say good morning?
Good morning.
So she's just transferring it here so we can save it. Let me see what we have here. Should we leave this one? We'll put this one. We'll put this remaining one. So this one will be the one we will do first. We'll first use this one and save this. This is a lot. Like, I use these things to save my foodstuffs. This was ogbono. I used to use this to put my ogbono, but now the ogbono is finished because I've been cooking ogbono recipe for a long time now. So we're using it to save my okpa. Let me show you guys. We are cleaning. See my kitchen. We've been cooking. Let them see. Guys, we'll be cooking and cooking. So we are cleaning this morning. We are cleaning. When my in-laws come here, Charlie Prof Chukwuke, she will say, "What are you doing with pot everywhere?" I say, well, all of these ancient and modern pots you see, they are working wonders in this kitchen. Right? They are working wonders. They are doing wonders, okay? So don't worry about them. Look at this kitchen. We are working, cleaning. We are in cleaning section. So I'm still on cleaning this one. I'm just trying as much as I can. Even though when I'm working in the kitchen, I like cleaning as I go. This is how I was trained. I don't like leaving a whole lot of mess. I love to clean as I cook. I clean as I cook. I clean. So yeah, I've been cleaning the stove. You all, I have a lot of old videos that I have on my... I still have some of my old videos, please. I'm going to pull them out so you guys can watch them. Like old videos with my old stove. You guys know when I used to have my white stove, right? For all my old members in this channel. I still have old videos I didn't pull out, but I have amazing recipes on this old videos. So please, I'm going to send them out. I'm going to be doing some corn recipe. I still have some corn here. Look at them. I'm going to be making some corn recipe. I have cassava here for cassava recipe soon. Look at, everywhere is filled up with stuffs. Everywhere we have a lot. My yams are getting bad. They are getting bad. Like, I feel like crying. They are getting bad. Oh man, this one. Oh my goodness, this one have started. Can you see? Oh man, can you see? I feel bad, man. I have some items that just came in from DHL. I'm going to be doing unboxing soon so you guys can see. I ordered for some foodstuffs from Nigeria. I have, first one came in, I haven't showed you guys. This is the second box. I'll be showing you guys the first box of the things I got from Nigeria, and this will be the second box, which I'll be showing you a different video of when I'll be unboxing it. But the first box, I was so upset because a lot of things that came in was really bad, especially the fish and the periwinkles. They were really bad. You know, the video, you don't want to see me in that mood. When I saw those bad items, I was so upset. So because of that, I couldn't post the videos. Alright guys, stay tuned for whatever will be going. Guys, this is the extent I've gone to clean. I'm just going to put these pots where I usually put them. I have several things here. Yeah, that's because I always use these things to cook, like almost on a regular. So I just put them in this basket. That way I can just remove it and do my cooking. So in this very basket, I have all my pans, different type of my pans and my cake pans and all that, just to create space. So in this very basket, I have my odos and some trays. Yeah, some trays to do my baking and all that. Yeah, there's no space, so we try to manage our space. So I'm going to start cooking in a minute. So I just got these pots clean. They're all nice and clean. It's been cooking. That's how it rose in Guchies kitchen. Yeah, you know. So I have some things to go in here. So I have some things to go in here. That's how it rolls. You know, you just have to manage your space in this kitchen. This kitchen is not very big. It's not very big. This is Obodoyibo house, so you just manage your space, you know. Even if you're living in mansion, some of the kitchens are not as big as, you know, your house in Nigeria, where you have a large pantry where you can fit in your things or cabinets or whatever. We manage our space here. So I just have this cupboard, you know, just extra cupboard where I put this thing. And so this is my nylon for fufu. I usually wash it up and get it all ready. So I'm going to be using it to wrap fufu. So that's why I washed it. I used to have a lot of it, but I make sure it's nice and washed before I start wrapping my fufu. I just make sure the nylons are clean and nicely washed. Okay guys, so yeah, everywhere is nice and clean for right now. So I'm going to start up another recipe in a minute. I just washed these cups. I'm going to put them where they're supposed to be. This is not where they're supposed to be. I used to have my lemon and lime here, So but I just put them here for now so that they can dry up, then I put them where they are supposed to be.